Hello traders. Today is the 25th of February 2011, and happy trading to you all. This is the Asia session, and this video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell anything. Okay, we are looking at the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair. This currency pair has escaped the bearish pressure today. This is due to the unrest in Libya, in the North Africa region, or the political unrest, and also especially Libya, where crude oil has benefited from the crisis in Libya. Crude oil has been rising, okay, and gold also was rising, okay. We know that when gold is rising, the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair also will continue the movement to the upside, okay. So if there is uncertainty, if there is fear in the world, okay, gold is likely to go up, okay. And when gold is going up, the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair also will go up. There is a positive correlation between the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair and gold, okay. So that's why this currency pair today has escaped the bearish pressure. Looking at this daily chart of the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair, okay, we can see that the price is struggling a bit. The price is having a bit of problem. We see that we have this top here, and then we have this top here, and then we have this top here, followed by this lower top, okay. Not only that, the price display a higher low here. If we draw our trend line here, you can see that the price display a higher low here. It displayed a higher low here, but failed to display a higher high here, okay. But then it came back again and displayed a higher low again. Here again, it failed to display a higher high. This is a weakness. This is not a strength, okay. In my view, this Australian dollar currency pair is completely overbought. Just to adjust my microphone because there is some noise coming through, which I do not like very much, okay. Now it's a bit better now. Now we can see that this Australian dollar currency pair is struggling in this zone of 10150. If I draw a line there, you can see clearly that this we don't need any more information. It's just clear that this Australian dollar US dollar currency pair is struggling in this zone of 10150, okay. Now, like I said to you before, all the blah blah blah, okay, all the political unrest has caused this gold to continue to go up, and gold is going up. This currency pair will go up, but I am not interested to buy this Australian dollar US dollar currency pair. Even though if it's rising, it can continue to go up without me. I'm not going to take part in the bullish part in this Australian dollar US dollar currency pair. Like we have said before, the only problem right now, as soon as we have excellent non-farm payroll in United States, all the gambling will stop, okay. As soon as we have a clear-cut non-farm payroll in United States, which means we can see clearly that there is a job creation in United States, all the speculation, all the gambling will stop, which means as soon as we have a clear-cut non-farm payroll, this Australian dollar US dollar currency pair will come down and the dollar will start going up. Now, right now, suppose we have excellent non-farm payroll, we will see the US dollar yen currency pair going up. The Australian dollar US dollar currency pair will be going down, okay. That will be the normal way of because the US dollar yen currency pair is oversold. but because we do not have a strong economic environment in the United States right now, that's why we can perfectly continue to sell the dollar. But on the 4-hour chart, as I showed you before, the dollar, okay, the US dollar yen currency pair has completed the 3rd Elliott wave. On the 4-hour chart, we are expecting the 4th Elliott wave, then the 5th Elliott wave. At the end of the 5th Elliott wave, we will wait again, slowly but surely, be patient, okay, till March, the first week of March. That's when we will receive the non-farm payroll. If the non-farm payroll is excellent, then we can perfectly decide to swing trade the USD yen currency pair to the upside and sell the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair to the downside. Right now, the economic condition, especially the situation in Libya, which means the crude oil start rising big time, so the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair will go up, Euro USD will go up, and but technically we should be selling the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair because completely overbought in the proper sense of the word, overbought. What we are seeing now, people buying to the upside, this is just a speculation or market manipulation. People should be selling the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair. That's my personal view. This is the daily chart as I show you. We will go now to the weekly chart. That's what we see on the weekly chart. The price displayed double top here and then went down and continued the movement to the upside. In this zone, some people will call it wages, some people will call it flag, blah, 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 blah. This is overbought condition, people pushing the market to the upside. The Australian dollar US dollar currency pair is now at 101.08, okay? We will see, okay? So we just keep watching this zone. As you will see here, one thing you can pay attention to on this chart is show you quickly here. You can see here that each time we have a big green candle is followed by a red candle, a bearish engulfment here, okay? Look at this, another bearish engulfment here, okay, and a small one here, okay, and another one. This is the one they have escaped today, okay? They are escaping this one. You see the tail, okay? It was going down and then people start pushing up, okay? So each time it tried to go up, some people are selling. Try to go up, people are selling. This is just blah 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 blah. Please sell the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair so that the market can return to normal condition. But if the US economy is dragging its feet, we will see all the speculation going on all the time, okay? So pay attention carefully. So this is the weekly chart. This is what we see on the weekly chart. We go to the monthly chart now. On the monthly chart, okay, I will clear my drawing on this chart because I don't like what's going on right now, to be honest. If the market is overbought, sell it. Simple as that, okay? I'm a honest person, but we will wait for the market, and when it's time, we will sell, okay? Drawing a line on this monthly chart just to do our technical analysis. I draw a horizontal line here. Okay, this is the line we have to watch carefully. This line of 9613. Okay, 9613. Watch this line. If it turn around, okay, watch this zone. Okay, this is on the monthly chart. If it turn around and cross this line of 9613, that will be a perfect place to sell. Okay, I did a video last time when I sold the Apple stock doing this strategy, so you can perfectly place orders here below in the region of place order here at 9613. Okay, 9613 for sell. Okay, so if you turn around and come here and reach it, that's hit 9613. I repeat, if you turn around and hit 9613, that's a sell order, a perfect valid sell order. Because why? The price should go up and come back down. Some people will call it retest, but like I showed you yesterday in one of the videos that I sold Apple stock on live chart, you see that this is a valid sell zone to sell here, right here, with stop loss 200 pip will be enough for this Australian dollar US dollar currency pair. Like I said, this video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. Okay, we can see also that the price are struggling this over here. They try to sell it down, but because of the economic uncertainty, the fear, all the blah blah blah, gold going up, Australian dollar, US dollar currency pair is going up. We know that also the Australian economy is benefiting from the China economy. Now the China economy also is slowing down a little bit. That will definitely affect the Australian economy. I'm not saying that the Australian economy is in a difficult situation because they didn't go through much of the recession. The economy is quite strong, but their money is overbought. And if a money is overbought, it should retrace back down to a fair value before resuming the movement to the upside. Okay, I am not against the Australian dollar in a negative way. I'm a technical trader. Market overbought, in the proper sense of the word overbought. We must look for opportunity to sell to bring the price to the fair value. As soon as the price hits the fair value, the movement resumes again to the upside. That's the right way to, because if people fail to sell at the right time, what usually happens, they create a crash. You see this movement here, down very fast, boom, 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 down. All this time, since 2004, you see, since 2004 up to this year 2008, is all down fast. Okay, this is what's happened when people are pushing the market in one direction without bringing it down. Breathe in, breathe out. This is what's happened. Okay, the market should breathe in, the market should go up, come down, go up, come down, go up, come down. But if the market is going up for many years, be ready for something like this. The same thing they start doing again here. Since 2009, they start keeping it up this way. They will crash it down. That's not the best way to do it. If you care for a market, the market should breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. When the market pull back, it allow more buyers to buy. The market go up, people take profit. The market pull down, more buyers come in. That's how the market is healthy. A healthy market will go up and go down. If you see market going up straight like this, the only time the market will go straight like a vertical line or in a parabolic direction is in the third Elliott wave. The third Elliott wave, the market has a right to go in one direction non-stop. That can happen in the third Elliott wave. But if you see something like this going on for years and years, be ready to see a crash like this. This is not nice for economy to go through this kind of mess. Okay, the same thing is happening right here as I'm speaking to you for the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair. We will see how this will happen again, the blah 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 and all the market manipulation. And okay, all right, enough of my blah 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 also. All right, we're looking now, we're going to go now and look on the quarterly chart. This is what we see on the quarterly chart. I will remove my previous drawing on this chart. Okay, now what we will do on this chart, we will draw our Fibonacci tool, the retracement. The price went since 2002 all the way up to this level here in 2008, where it crashed down to the 75%. The price hit first the 61.8, as you can see in this zone. Okay, some people decided to buy in this zone, but the price went further down to 75% before going up. The 75 and the 76%, you see it hit exactly 76%. Okay, because the first line here, I hope you can follow me, the first horizontal line is 75, the second one is 76, the third one is 78. It hit exactly the 76. The 76 used to be excellent, accurate estimation for the price instead of the 78 and the 75. Okay, 76. So it hit exactly the 76% Fibonacci retracement of the movement from here all the way up here, and then it go up all the way up here. As soon as the price was approaching the 100% retracement, people start selling, but because of the uncertainty, the price went up. At this point in time, I consider the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair overbought. Not only overbought, but overbought in the proper sense of the word overbought. If you are looking for a currency pair to sell, is the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair. We will continue to focus on selling opportunity regarding this currency pair. Okay, now we will look at this is the quarterly chart. Okay, so we can see the hammer being formed here. We will see at the end of the quarter what's going to happen. We are waiting for the non-farm payroll regarding United States. As soon as that non-farm payroll is excellent, you will see the bear celebrating this zone here. Looking at the yearly chart, this is what we see. It's not a gorgeous yearly chart because I don't have too much data on my software because I want my thing to load up quickly. Okay, so I don't put too many data on this software. So this is what we see on the yearly. I will remove my Fibonacci drawing on this chart. So we see went up all the way here, and this one, this is a wicked red one. Okay, clear everybody. Okay, and then followed by this one. Now we have this small hammer being formed here. This for the year now for this Australian dollar US dollar currency pair. We look now on the 4-hour chart. This was happened now. Today, this you can see that in the morning. Okay, some people some people knew that they should sell and they sold it here. This was honest traders. They sold it here. Price went down. The dishonest traders, okay, push up here. Okay, now it's going up because of the gold start rising and all the blah blah blah. And now the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair has truly escaped the bearish pressure today. As you can see here in this zone, it has escaped it. As soon as it crossed this level, we know that the bearish pressure is kaput. Okay, you see that it went up, they bring it down. As soon as they bring it and cross above it, you are out. You must be out right here if you were selling. Okay, you don't fight them, let them go. Okay, and see what's going to happen. There is a high probability for this slippery, like I like to call it. It's a bit slippery. Okay. It's a bit slippery currency pair. Now we know that the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair, we titled that the crazy. This one is a slippery currency pair. It has a chance to reach the zone of to touch the bound in the zone of 101.60. That remains to be seen. A resistance. Okay, so we are expecting the slippery currency pair, the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair, to come near the zone of 101.40 up to 101.60. This zone here, I'll put the spotlight there for you. This zone of 101.40 and 101.60 will be a resistance zone for this slippery currency pair, the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair. Now we have many TSTW24 traders from Australia. Okay, so we don't mind to call your currency slippery, but you are lovely people. Okay, we are just talking about technical analysis to make it a bit of fun. Okay, so nothing special. Okay, so do not worry, we are still friends. Okay, so we must watch this level here. Okay, where are we? I'll draw my horizontal line. Watch this zone also of 101.75. So resistance in the zone of 101.40 up to 101.60, maximum 101.75. Okay, so in normal condition it should continue to rise nicely to reach those zones where we will look for opportunity to sell if the opportunity to sell is given to us. Okay, looking at gold, I'll quickly look at gold to show you what's happening. For the spot gold, this is a spot gold. This is on the daily chart again. This is on the daily chart. As you can see, same thing like the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair. You see all this top, another top here, another top, another top, all the bearish engulfment, bearish engulfment, bearish engulfment, bearish engulfment, bearish engulfment. This is the spot gold here. This is on the daily chart. Going now to the weekly chart, the same thing we see on the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair, because when gold is going up, the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair will be going up. When there is uncertainty, fear in the market, unrest in the world, gold is usually going up. Okay, and the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair also has a chance to go up. We see all this blah 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 here. This is overbought market. Okay, bearish pressure, bearish pressure, bearish pressure, bearish engulfment. You see the same thing we see on the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair. The bearish engulfment, bearish. As soon as the price try to go up, bearish engulfment, bearish engulfment, try to go up, bearish engulfment, try to go up, bearish engulfment. This is these are bearish signature. It was happening here also, but like I said, if the United States economy is not giving us a job, a proper job creation, this gold will continue to escape the bearish pressure. It did escape it here because the non-farm payroll was not good. No job creation. You will see again gold continuing the movement to the upside, maybe even reaching the level of 1500. But as soon as we have excellent non-farm payroll and economic condition has been a bit firmer in the United States, you will see that gold will start coming down. Okay, looking at the monthly chart of gold, so we do not assume anything. Depending on the economic condition in the United States, if the change is coming up, if there is improvement, then all the things we are talking about will happen. If there is no improvement, gold will continue to escape the bearish pressure. So we must adjust ourselves and be flexible to swing to the left if it's swinging to the left, and to swing to the right if it's swinging to the right, like Irish dances. Okay, as you can see here on the monthly chart again, you can see here bearish engulfment, bearish engulfment, bearish engulfment. Here it was turning around, but again this is another this new month, because last month the non-farm payroll in the United States has failed. In fact, has disappointed everybody so badly. You know, has disappointed everybody so badly. They were predicting 100 and something in whatever job creation, and we got only 36 whatever thousand. I mean, ridiculous. Okay, and now that's why gold turned around again here. It was going down first, now it went up again. Okay, looking at the yearly chart, my special yearly chart of gold, this is what we see. A bullish year in 2010, a very gorgeous, beautiful, smart, okay, gorgeous bullish year. If you bought it here and just walk away, that's it. You are in for a big reward. Now we are having a kind of hammer here. The only thing that is stopping this gold to turn around is the United States economy. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video, that you will put into practice in order to cream the market consistently. We are the TSTWSYS 008 traders. Thank you for watching, and we will speak to you very shortly.